Hi, this is Jim Fermi, President Founder of Business Impact Group. Welcome. Today is about clarity, because when we understand each other more precisely, we refer each other more confidently. In a moment, we'll go around the table. You'll have 60 seconds. State your name, company, and category. No pitch. Then read the most people assume statement for your category and simply decide, is that accurate? Or is there something important the room doesn't fully see yet? Give us one clear insight, not everything you do. Just one truth that changes how we talk about you when you're not in the room. Because when we see the unseen value, we ask better questions, we recognize better opportunities, and we make stronger personal introductions. Let's make it count.